I'm sitting here like a childish teenager dreaming, but I'm supposed to give you a review of the Porsche Macan S. So let's get on with it. Sorry for that. Let's put her into drive and go for a ride. The Macan. For me, the Macan is a really smooth car when you want it to be smooth. And it's a driver's car if you want it to be a driver's car. I will say like this, if you're into a car that are soft and a daily driver, you're going to work and nothing else, then you shouldn't buy a Macan, because Macan is for driving. But nevertheless, it's a good car. I feel it's stable on the road, even in high speed, low speed, in every kind of way you put it, it delivers. But I must give you a heads up, a warning. If you have a person that will be the driver of the car and do not like cars with a little sporty feeling, it's not good, because it allows you to put out the rear in the corners. Nevertheless, a really nice car. And yet again, seriously, let's start with the interior, because I like it. And what's the verdict on the inside of the Porsche Macan? Yes, I only say one word: yes. I love it. I love the quality. I love the outlay of everything. The broadness here with the buttons all over. I've been listening to many who says they don't like it. Yeah, the opinions are different. But for me, I like it. Especially when you have this Sport Chrono package with the watch, and you have all the Sport Plus. Yeah, I really love it. It's a professional made car. And the seats are really in the right bolstering. You feel it hugs you, and this is the 14-way seats. I've heard that the 18-ways, they are a bit too high on the sides if you're driving it daily. But for me, this one is the perfect one. So I must say, lovely. I give it a 4 out of 5, I must say. So, how about the backseat? Well, I'm sitting behind myself, and I'm not a big guy. I'm only 176, and yes, it's okay. Depends if you're a family with very long persons. It's not so good for the legs, but the headroom is pretty good, I would say. And you have the heated seats in the back here, and you have your own climate zone, so you can skip the argument with the teenagers. And you have this one, so you can charge the phones, the very important phones. So I must say, decent. Maybe not the best one, but decent. So, okay. So, and as you can see, if the teenager are a bit, you can put them in here. Not recommended, but they will fit. You can easily put your skis in here and go for a little ride in the snow. Now, you put these two on now and take that one away. By the way, you have a storage space here. You can hide something. I would say it's rather big for a small car. Yes, now it's time to judge and give a conclusion of the Macan. And I think that I'm not the right person. I've decided to invite my conscience to be the judgment person. So, yes, take it from here. You really need me on this one. With your self-esteem, you don't even believe in yourself. I don't know what the fuck you're doing with just like this. Okay, I must say, the come Macan. On. Yes. Give me some slack. You're right in many points. It's a good car, but it has its downsides also. So you shouldn't be that positive about everything. Even it's a rather expensive car for its age. This one is a 2017, and but okay, I agree. It keeps its value, and the tax in Sweden isn't that high because it hasn't gotten that bonus malus yet. So this year and up to 2018 is good years. And okay, with your right foot, I must say that it takes a lot of fuel. But your wife, I must give her the creds. She keeps it down, 0.8 per miles. It's a good, not with your, we're not gonna talk about your mileage driving thing. And okay, you're right also in the quality. I think it's a good quality car. It's no squeaking and things like that. So, yes, in total, to make it short, to make it simple, I give this car a 4. Like you said about the interior, but all over. Engine, how it delivers. So yes, indeed. For me, a 4. So, double thumbs up. So, don't listen to this guy so much. Thank you, and enough of me.